Pretty sure it's Cry of Fear.
Cry of Fear. Not Cry of Fearism, like how you were calling it.
Well, I don't know.
I only got into this part. I am sorry for not playing without you guys, but the apartment part where what is that? Okay, Mr. Chainsaw Man. That's a freaking yo.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
I am
Some maniac.
take that. Ah, damn it. Let's suck at this.
Did you really die?
Yeah, I just died. Okay, we're back, and now since I died, now he has to play. Since I died, he's gonna be playing now. Yeah, he sucks at this.
I actually do suck at this game.
I know. WASD, dude. Oh, you're gonna die at this part.
I know that.
You're not even gonna last a second, bro. Dude.
Hey, sucker.
Oh my gosh, dude. You know the
Crap.
don't run.
Oh, frick.
Remember, don't run.
Yeah,
Skip.
skip.
Okay, we're gonna do this again.
Yeah. We're playing.
Recording a video.
Yeah, we're like pretty weird, messed up.
Here, here's a life hack for you.
Messed up.
Here's a life hack for you. Just walk. You won't be able to get you if you can just call me walk.
I'm gonna get like kind of like a better view. I'm gonna get a better view.
Okay, now you can start running.
Good view. Yeah.
Sneak. No.
I didn't do it.
Now called behind the camera. I should have named myself your boy behind the camera.
Your boy.
Freaking autocorrect. Still gets
Ooh.
me. I just reloaded.
It's been like 2 minutes. Is it? 2 minutes and 57 seconds.
2 minutes and 57 seconds.
No, it's 3 minutes, 1 second, 2 seconds. Pretty weird.
Now that these doors can.
Oh no, I put them in soapy water yesterday and then I put them in cold water today.
Oh.
And I rinsed the soap water. Then I didn't.
Is it just the camera? I was gonna say,
It's actually dark. Is it just the camera? Oh, freak.
He's looking much better.
Alright.
Because in the fall, drug deputy. Where they have him,
Take a right.
It's kind of trash.
but today he looked good.
Yeah,
Got
that's
him up and
true.
he could walk around the ward.
Look, another baton. And some ammo.
The nurse on his side when he
Nice.
walked around
Come on.
the ward. He was,
Okay.
I see you.
Can't believe you got shot.
Yeah, me too.
Crazy man surviving.
Well, there's him, Bouncer's son, Daniel.
Alright, I'm sorry for the slight display. This Malachi. From the drink.
None of them were together, they were all
Alright, we're back.
There's a cart outside now, eh? So I can be.
Alright.
Because that one's too heavy.
I don't know what's up with that dryer. That
I'm
button.
scared the crap
Yeah,
out
this
of
guy
me.
was just web server spring. I clicked it, but I did it, and
So apparently that thing that just jump scared me is called a dreamer. That's a real dreamer. Literally, his name is Dreamer. Oh, freaking ugly. Ew, disgusting. You're licking me. Nope.
Fix it, they say.
Look.
I better try to roll some farms to sooner I get out of here.
It's blocking my
Yeah.
way. Where did all this come from?
Try to find some
I thought you said you played it.
I thought you were.
What?
Every time I came
Yeah.
Oh,
I know. It said the captions. I just read it.
cleaning up and stuff, and I thought
Okay.
they were
I
on the
clicked
way.
E on the on the blockage and it said that.
Probably just doing that.
Boy, you don't know how to read.
Oh, afterwards, it was doing something.
It was like that for like a few
why is that van there? Go back, go back, go back, go back.
Why?
Like if this was a real horror game, couldn't you just be able to bust the van door open and jump in there?
Yeah, but you need keys.
Okay.
And then every
Plus,
time
look,
I talk to
the interior is destroyed. It's not going to work.
and then when I go
Well, if
back,
it was
how come everybody keeps
real,
saying they were
a
cleaning?
real,
And
like
this house
real
looks
life.
like a damn dump.
You're not talking right.
I said, what the hell are
What?
you cleaning?
You're not talking right.
I'm talking.
Damn it, I fell.
I said,
Damn
"You
it.
didn't
Like if
clean
it was in real life.
Cleaning is worse." I said, well,
I mean,
obviously
we
it's
still
worse,
need
but it's
keys,
way
though.
worse.
What is it? I think I saw this before.
I would be trying to find the keys.
Yeah, I remember seeing this.
Oh,
Cause you played it.
all I
Yeah.
have left to
but
do before
I never
went to
played it.
hospital.
So what is that?
Wait, I played this part before, but I haven't played the Chainsaw Man part before.
Can we get Adrian to come help me do the walls?
Yo, I'm gonna have a hard time in this.
Next thing you know, I can play. Not that that would help, but I mean,
Yeah, I'm gonna check the name.
it didn't even help me. Started
Danny.
laying around and
What?
watching.
You know, this whole time
Okay.
it was skipped
Then she make a mess in the
from
kitchen.
yeah. So I'm just gonna record for real.
Oh, I'm gonna do this later.
It was recording the whole time.
And then not even.
I have good hearing, you know.
Oh my god, okay. Just ruined it, bro.
Yeah, you should ruin things, bro.
I didn't ruin it. You ruined it. You
You didn't ruin crap. No one likes his bell sounds.
have sharp ears.
I know this. Freaking elf. I don't know. Okay, I need some help, so it's gonna be hard. So
Yeah, I'm gonna skip the video for once.